our last lecture we studied about the equality of the matrices. Now relating to those that topic, now we'll do the exercise from the I will do the question from the exercise. Question number 2 is, which of the following matrices are equal? These are different matrices given to us. We have to tell which matrices are equal out of these. Okay, so here question number 2, equal matrices. Okay, matrix A is a matrix in which there is only one entry, that is 3. Okay, C is a matrix, and inside that matrix it is written as 5 minus 2. We know that 5 minus 2 equals to 3, so we can write 5 minus 2 is 3. Now if you compare both these matrices, A and C are equal because they have the same entry. Order is also same, one row and one column. It is a 1 by 1 matrix. Matrix C is also 1 by 1, column 1 and row is also 1. So order is same and elements are also same, so both the matrices are equal. Okay, then we have B matrix here, 3 and 5. First entry is 3, second entry is 5. And we have matrix I, first entry is 3, second is 3 plus 2. We know that 3 plus 2 is 5, so I is equal to 3 5, B is equal to 3 5. Both the matrices are exactly same, so these are equal matrices. Okay, so this is the way how you are going to find whether the matrices are equal or not. Another example of equal matrices, E 4 0 6 2. Okay, this is a matrix. First element is 4, second is 0, third element is 6, fourth element is 2. H is the same. First entry is 4, second entry is same, third entry is also same, fourth entry is also same. So both these matrices are equal. Now next is J. J is 2 plus 2. We know that 2 plus 2 is 4, so we can write it as 4. Then 2 minus 2 is 0. So it can be 2 minus 2 can also be written as 0. Obviously nobody can stop us from writing 2 minus 2 is 0. 2 plus 4 is 6. Okay, 2 plus 0 is 2. So J is the matrix 4 0 6 2. It means it is also equal to H. J is also equal to E. So these three matrices are same. Okay. Now next, F matrix and G matrix. F matrix, first element is 2, second is 6. In G matrix, first element is 3 minus 1, 2, and second element is 3 plus 3, which can also be written as 6. Okay, so F is the matrix 2 6 and G is also the matrix 2 6, so both are same. Okay, now there is a question in the exercise, question number 3. Let me first read the question to you. Find the values of A, B, C, D which satisfies the matrix equation. This is a matrix equation. It's called matrix equation because of this equality sign. You have matrices, two equal matrices. This matrix is equal to this matrix. Okay, so you can read the statement that there are two matrices. This is first matrix, this is the second matrix, and the equality sign indicates that these two matrices are equal. ठीक है, दो matrices आपको given है, एक लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे है, दूसरा राइट हैंड साइड पे है, और इक्वलिटी साइन क्या बता रहा है कि ये दोनों मैट्रिसेस इक्वल हैं. ठीक है, तो दिस इज गिवन टू अस दैट बोथ द मैट्रिक्स आर इक्वल. दिस साइन इंडिकेट्स, दिस साइन गिव्स अस द इंफॉर्मेशन दैट बोथ दीज मैट्रिसेस आर इक्वल. वी हैव टू फाइंड ए बी सी डी. ओके, in order to find A, B, C, D, we know that using the definition of equality of matrices, if these two matrices are equal, then it means that the first element of this matrix must be equal to the first element of this. Okay, because of this equality sign we can give this statement that A plus C is equal to 0, because A plus C the first element of the matrix on the left hand side, 0 is the first element of the matrix on the right hand side. ठीक है, तो A प्लस सी आपका 0 के इक्वल क्यों होगा? क्योंकि A प्लस सी इसका फर्स्ट एलिमेंट है और इस मैट्रिक्स का फर्स्ट एलिमेंट 0 है। तो हमें पता है कि मैट्रिसेस जब इक्वल होते हैं, व्हेन एवर मैट्रिसेस आर इक्वल, देयर कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग एलिमेंट्स must be same. Okay, this is the definition of equal matrices. Okay, and it is given that these matrices are equal. ये इक्वलिटी साइन शो करता है कि ये दोनों matrices equal हैं. If these matrices are equal, it means the first element must be equal to the first element of this matrix. Means A plus C should be equal to 0. Okay, A plus C is the first element of this matrix. This should be equal to 0 because 0 is the first element of the matrix on the right hand side. Similarly, A plus 2b, second element of this matrix, should be equal to the second element of the matrix on the right hand side. So A plus 2b must be equal to -7. Okay, if A plus C is equal to 0, so shifting C to the right hand side, we get A is equal to negative of C. It means that A and C are negative of each other. A plus 2b is equal to -7. This is the second equation. Okay, the third element here is C minus 1 and here is 3. So C minus 1 should be equal to 3. C minus 1 should be equal to 3. We are writing C minus 1 should be equal to 3. Okay, this is the information given to us in the question. Because the two matrices are equal, so we can write that the third element of the matrix on the left hand side will be equal to the third element of the matrix on the right hand side. So C minus 1 must be equal to 3. Okay, this implies that if we shift -1 to the right hand side, this will be C is equal to 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. So the value of C is equal to 4. Okay, from equation 1 and 4, this is equation 4 and equation 1 is, this was equation 1. A is equal to -C. A is equal to -C. This was our equation 1. A is equal to -C. Now it is clear. A is equal to -C. So if A is equal to -C and here we obtained that C is equal to 4. Okay, C is equal to 4. Equation 1 was A is equal to -C. So it means A must be equal to -4 because C is equal to 4 and A is equal to negative of C. So negative of 4. So A is equal to negative of 4. Okay, we got the value of A also. Now from equation 2, what was equation 2? Here, A plus 2b is equal to -7. A plus 2b is equal to -7. This was equation 2. A plus 2b is equal to -7. Equation 2. From this, what we get is we shift A to the right hand side. What we get is 2b is equal to -7 minus A. 2b is equal to -7 and we know that value of A is equal to -4. So putting the value of A is equal to -4 in this equation, what we get -7 minus -4. This is A. Okay, so what we get is -7 plus 4. -7 plus 4 is -3 and B, value of B will be -3 divided by 2. Okay, so we get the value of B also. Now equating the fourth element. Fourth element was 4d minus 6 is equal to 2d. Okay, fourth element 4d minus 6 should be equal to 2d. This is the fourth element of the matrix on the left hand side. This is the fourth element of the matrix on the right hand side. As the two matrices were equal, so their fourth element must be equal to one another. Both these fourth elements must be equal to one another. So shifting 2d to the left hand side, 4d minus 2d is equal to 6. 4d minus 2d is 2d is equals to 6 and d is equal to 6 divided by 2, which is equal to 3. So we got the value of A, B, C and D. Okay, A, C, A, C, B and D. Okay, we have obtained all the values of the unknowns, and this completes the question as well as the exercise.